Alright, my dear learners, we are now going to look at a percentage increase. So in the previous lesson we looked at percentage decrease, so which involved subtraction. Then this percentage increase, it is involving the other involved addition. Then this percentage decrease is involving subtraction. Let us get our first example here. Decrease by 10%. So we get also the percentage decrease, and as I've told you, with the percentage decrease we are subtracting. So 100% minus 10%, so this is 90%. So 90 out of 100 of our money, that is 1,500. So 0 0 0 with a 0, so we have 9 times shillings 150. So let us multiply 150 times a 9. This is a 0, this is 45. We write a 5, take a 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is going to be 13. So the answer here is going to be shillings 1,350. Okay, example 2 here. They are saying decrease shillings 1,200 by 15%, then 20%. So this is going to be a percentage decrease. Now percentage decrease here is going to be 100% plus, no sorry, decrease, we are subtracting. So decrease minus 15%. What are having? 100, take out 15. This is it. We regroup 9 and 10, 5 and 8, so it's 80%. So 85% of our money, which is 1,200. So this is 85 out of 100 times 1,200. 0 0 0 and 0. So what are we having? Let me draw here side line. This is going to be 85 times 12 shillings. This is 85 then times 12. This is a 10. I put here 16, 17, right? Now this is a 5 and a 1, 0. Now this is 12. We put here a 3. So our answer is going to be 320 shillings. So it has reduced from 1,200 then to 320. Are we getting that one? Now after that we still reduce, because they're saying that after reducing it by 15%, it means that the answer you've obtained, again reduce it by 20%. Now meaning that this new answer you've obtained, it is at 100. Yeah, it is at 100%, right? So then still we reduce, then again percentage what? A decrease. So it's going to be again 100%, take away 20%, it's now going to go to 80%. Now 80% of our new, which is shillings 3,320, then this is 80 out of 100 of means multiplication, shillings, this 300 and 0 0 with a 0, so we have 8 times shillings 32. Our side work here, 32 by 8, this is 16. I put here, this is 24, 25, so 256 shillings. So it has reduced to that amount there. Let us get another example here, which is going to be decrease. Let us decrease this one. Decrease 400 football fans by, decrease 400 football fans by 12.5%. Now this one involves percentages. Let us see how we can do this number here. So this is our percentage decrease here. This is going to be 100 minus 12.5%. Now what is going to be this one? So this is 12 out of 100 minus times plus, right? This is going to be 24, which is 25 out of 2. The LCM, now we are subtracting fractions. Now the LCM is going to be a 2. So 2 times 100 out of a 1 minus 25 out of 2 times a 2 by 2 1 by 2 1. Now this is 200 minus 25 out of a 2, which is going to be 225. When you regroup 9 and 10, this is a 5. Now this is 7, 175. So is equal to 175 out of 2%, which is going to be 175% out of 2 out of 100, right? Out of 100, then of our money 400 funds. Then this is going to be this with this one, this goes with this one. Therefore we are going to have 175 out of 2 times 4 by 4 once by 4 2 times this one, it is a 10. This is we take 1 here, so this is 4 14 15 we put here. Now 2 times 1, it is 2 plus that and 3, so the funds are 350 for to borrow funds. So that's how we reduce when it is in terms of fractions. Now let us get the activity here. Number 1, saying decrease this money 240 by 25%. The number 2, decrease 7550 by 40%. The number 3, decrease 800 guests by 35%. Number 4, decrease shillings 10,000 by 10%, and then 20%. Number 5, reduce, that is to decrease, reduce 700 kilograms of sugar by 35%. Number 6, decrease 4,500 liters of water by 20%, then by 30%. Number 7, decrease 8,400 by 10%, then 10%. Number 8, the number of pupils decreased by 10% for the first year, and then by 15% for the second year. How many pupils are in the school? Okay, you've been a good learner. We meet in the next lesson.